How to file an online divorce in Lancaster. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with divorce661.com. If you live in Lancaster, you might be surprised to learn you can file your entire divorce online without ever stepping into a courthouse. Since Lancaster divorces are handled through the Los Angeles County Superior Court, everything is done through e-filing, making the process faster and completely remote. Here's how it works. We prepare all your forms, e-file them with the court, and send you copies for your records. You'll still need to serve your spouse, but that can be handled by mail if they're cooperative. From there, we complete your required financial disclosures, draft your settlement agreement if you have one, and submit your judgment electronically for court approval. For example, we helped a Lancaster couple who lived hours apart and didn't want the hassle of in-person appointments. We handled every step online, and their divorce was approved without either of them setting foot in court. At divorce661.com, we specialize in no-court, start-to-finish divorce services, saving you time, stress, and unnecessary trips to the courthouse. If you're ready to file your Lancaster divorce completely online, visit divorce661.com and schedule your free consultation today.